Yeah, episode ya 72 kuri seri yacu bayise Wild Heart cyangwa se ya Ban. Hakuno Steven yaje hano taxi uri kubibona kuno yabyanditse mu gitakish. Yaje hano.
Thank you.
Rakoze. Steven asigaye yarakennye abaye imbobo kuva bamwirukana. Do. Sinzi nahavana yo kugura ayo gutega taxi. Range Rover yaraparitse nta kigendamo. Yaje hano mu gakaritsiye ahantu. Yebe. Jana ahantu mu gakaritsiye ni Steven. Do. Gakaritsiye muri shawuri yako. Muri kwepa Kinonko handi witsamura ubitse umutwe. Uramutse witsamuye ureba hejuru Kinonko cyanuka kikawumena. Yaje hakuno Steven nimba aje mu biki. Mugabo agira uduka tutamenya. Kabareba nk'umuntu yenda kurira nimba aba yari ibiryo by'umwana. Niba byagenze bite Steven? Do. Kubona afite agahinda yashinyirije amarira azenga mu maso narumva. Shana ahantu mu gakaritsiye. Ebe. Avana agafunguzo bisa nk'ahantu Steven aje hazi. Ifilime ariko ngo yanze yabaryohanye yababanye super deep. Yababanye ubuki. Kaya kajano.
Sirhan, did you break the mirror, jerk?
I didn't mean to, father. I swear.
Sirhan, ni wowe menya nderwa munago nabishakaga papa.
You don't even
Kangiye kwibuka byari kera. Steven ari matongana na se Steven yarakira akana gatoya. Menya ari wagarutse kureba. Hano akumba kari menya ari hano Steven yakuriye we. Ko yaba yarakuriye muri shawuri yako.
Gene top oynamaya mı gittin lan? Sus lan yamaçıma. Seni adam edeceğim lan. Başka adam edeceğim seni. Komşu, sen mi geldin? Gel yak şu sobayı sabahına.
everything here.
Anni beyra anni she sinzi ni iki. Kumva hano hari umusaza uri hano. Hari umusaza uri hano do. Hep.
What the hell are you doing here? Huh?
urakora iki hano wa mukinga we
Thank you,
urakoze
Father.
urakoze papa dore se wa Steven we Steven burya agira se
Do you still remember the way here?
urakibuka wari ukibuka inzira igaruka inaha
Why have you come?
kubera iki uje hano
To see how miserable I am?
kugira ngo uzurebe ukuntu byancanze se uburyo naraburije muri yirwa yikunkumura hano Steven afite ubufaranga buke akira
Make me rich, but it will help you.
kuyagumana n'ubundi ntibingira umukira ariko araza kugufasha muze ahita yatsimba saa kuno Steven
Your father-in-law's dead. And your wife kicked you out. Huh?
umugore wawe kanye nyuma yuko upfushije so ubukwe saa kuno kureba ibinyamakuru koko baramwirukanye ibintu byose biranditse mwibuke Steven ni umukire nyine
Keep your hands off.
ivyo biganza byawe bivane ku binyamakuru byanjye
I look at them every now and then
buri joro iyo mbirebye ibyo
at
binyamakuru
the treachery of my son who gave up his own surname.
mpita nibaza umwana wanjye w'umukampanyi wanze izina ry'umuryango ukanya ngo ukagenda ugatumuka reba hano umujinya uramwica abona mu mafoto abasohotsemo ifoto ya George ari kumwe n'umugore we dore agahinda dore umujinya dore umujinya kwa kundi uhenerwa mu isoko ugataha uri gutonganya inzira ngo bampenze ndeba
What about the kids?
hanyuma se abana bawe
Did they turn against you too?
nabo baguteye umugongo cyangwa mise ari kumuhagata ndetse hano wirwara ihumekera kuri bomboni
Whatever you put me through,
ibyo wanyujemo
to
byose
put you through the same.
nawe abana bawe bari kukwishyura
Don't dare compare me to you in terms of fatherhood.
utaza kugereranya nawe iyo bigeze ku kuba umupapa w'abana be kuba umuntu yaba papa w'abana be shungereranye nawe Steven avanamo sentire hano
What's this?
ibyo ni ibiki
Beat me?
ugiye kunkubita se
Huh?
ugiye kunkubita Steven kuri papa we hebe Sean fatira umukandara
Why couldn't you love me?
gute utankunze
Piss off.
tumukakika
You are a child to be loved?
wewe wabonaga uri umwana ukwiriye gukundwa
I promised myself not to be like you.
nisezeranyije ko ntazamera nkawe
The opposite of what you did.
nkakora ibibusanye n'ibyo wowe wakoze
Never once patted my head. I always did it for my kids.
nta kibi nigeze panga mu mutwe wanjye byose nabikoreraga abana bawe
Never once tried to stand behind me.
ntiwigeze ugerageza kumba inyuma na rimwe nka papa
I stood behind them no matter what.
ariko njye nzaguma inyuma y'abana banjye icyaba icyo ari cyo cyose
Said I'd break the cycle. I loved them so much.
kugira ngo nzamene uruziga bankize inyuma kuko nkunda abana banjye cyane
Effort. You never did.
ntabwo wigeze unkunda
And you are still no better.
n'ubu nturahinduka
Look what had happened.
ngareba ibyabaye
What goes around comes back.
akebo kajya iwamugarura what goes around comes
Huh?
around
No. Soon as you had some money, you turn your back and pissed off
byigeze bikugendekera neza ukimara kubona amafaranga ntiwanteye umugongo ugakomeza
me. You are a disgrace to me.
ntakubeshya uri igisebo
A
kuri
disgrace.
uri igisebo pe uri igisebo se wa Steven aracyabaho
You'll never make it in this life.
muri ubu buzima nta kintu uzigera ugera warwana we Steven
Do you know why I
kugira ngo menye neza ko ntari umupapa mubi
And I am.
kandi noneho umaze kubibona ko ntari umupapa mubi
Than me, you know.
ntawe
You're
utandukane
going
nanjye
through the streets like a dog.
usigaye wirwa ku muhanda nk'imbwa
Children won't pity you.
abana bawe ntibakikugirira impuhwe
They won't even give you a sip of water.
ibaze ko bataguha n'igitonyanga cy'amazi ngo uwe ntacyo bagwa bibaye ngombwa. See?
That won't happen, Father.
Ibyo ntabwo bizigera biba
They
papa.
aren't like me. They love their father.
Abana banje ntabwo bameze nkanjye barankunda. Aragukunda. Iyo ntiyakundaga se. Se ufite utugamba ariko.
I remembered something.
Hari ikindi kintu nibutse. Ya mafaranga yaramuhaye Steven.
You don't deserve a penny from me.
Ubundi nta n'urupfusha nakabaye nguhereza reka.
Be run over by cars.
Imodoka irakakugonga.
May you contract awful diseases.
Uragwara umusonga akicwa.
You buster punk.
Wa kinyendaro uva muzehe. Imodoka irakaguca hejuru akarwara ikirwara kibura akicwa na mugiga. Uyu musaza. Steven avaye. Vuye hano Steven. Ingagari. Vuye hano Steven. Ingagari. Faranga yashyize mu mufuka hakuno.
Did you pay the neighborhood entrance fee?
Aruski karitsiye bayinjiramo gutyo gusa.
Give us what you have, old man.
Zana iseta wa mujinga.
Get out of my way.
Mwumve imbere.
Take off your jacket.
Vanamo iryo
Stay
kote.
up.
Won't happen.
Ntabwo biri bube.
You want
something? Kura amenyo. Nta kintu kiri bube yahuye. Yahuye na za marine zirara ziniga abantu nijoro i Kigali. Hano bakuniga ku manywa. Hano bakuniga ku manywa. Zana igiceri wa mujinga we. Uri ufata ugufitiye impuhwe. Baramucuza.
Bring it on, you punk! Is that all you have?
Ibyo wari ushoboye bakura amenyo. Steven amaze kuba imbobo basigaye birwa bakubitira ku muhanda. Steven wari umukire agira amabodyguard n'ama-escort agasaha baragatsindira.
Get the
You
ring.
can't have it!
N'impeta baraza. Gasaha baratwara ikote n'impeta. Zana hano ikigori
Don't
kiwe.
take the ring!
Tabara.
What are you doing?
Muri gukora ibiki?
That man go.
Mureke wa mugabo agende. Steven yarakubiswe shaho. Yarakubiswe shaho.
You know, you'll be crawling through the streets like a dog.
Yibuka amagambo muzehe amaze kumubwira ati icyo nzi cyo. Uzirukanka ku muhanda nk'imbwa ujya wigaragura. Urakicwa na mugiga urakarwara ikirwara kiguhitana.
Are you okay, brother?
Umeze neza
Give
mugabo.
us. Eh? Call.
Muhamagara ambulance oya.
Don't,
Oya.
don't call an ambulance.
Mwihamagara ambulance mwiyihorere.
Get my son. Call my son.
Muhamagarire umuhungu wanjye.
Tell me and I'll call him.
Bwira nimero ye muhamagare nyine. Sango Alex na Imini ayikubitishije ngo baze kumugira imwe. Alex akiraho. Telefone irasona. Ebe.
Hello?
Yego.
Alex, is that you? Is this the right number?
Speaking.
Uyu ni Alex ni mpamagaye nimero yanjye uvuga.
This number. Your father was just assaulted. He's in bad shape.
Isiko bamutimbaguye ku muhanda niwe umpaye nimero yawe.
By bad shape.
Ameze nabi.
Threatening?
Ariko bamukubise.
If it's just a beating, he'll be fine.
Nimba ari ugukubitwa araza kumera sawa.
I don't care if he dies.
Sinanabyitayeho apfuye ntari. Kaiva kumva.
I'm pretty bad.
Nyamara ameze nabi.
Got beat so bad he can't even stand up.
Bamutimbaguye no guhaguruka ni ibibazo.
I don't care.
Cye ntako mbyitayeho.
Send you the location anyway.
Reka nkwerereze lokasiyo uko byagenda kose utabyitaho se gute utabyitayeho. Gute utabyitayeho. Kandi arisiko reka nkwerereze lokasiyo uze cyaho bireke.
What are you doing there?
Ama lokasiyo wakoraga iki hano muzehe? Wakoraga iki hano hantu? Kaiva kumva. Sinzi telefone hano cha wigira muri douche. Kaiva iwe bucura wiwabo kabucura kavuyeyo. Kavuyeyo nukaza. Reba hano karebe lokasiyo kagira gutya. yiyoherereza lokasiyo karayiyoherereza yiyoherereje lokasiyo kaje kureba muzehe sinzi shaho kumbe mama nawe hakuno do mama ari hano na Kalila bicaye hano yamani nawe aratahuka do uru rugaba ari ibibazo
Mom?
mama
Where were you, Ali?
wari urihe ari
Where have you been?
wari
Aren't
urihe
you answering your phone?
kutitabaga fone
Is that
yawe
mad?
uba ushaka kunsaza
I'm here now.
ariko ndi hano nataha
Weren't you answering?
kuki utagitabaga
I
nyine
didn't cause any trouble.
cye nta kibazo
Don't
nateje
have to worry.
ntuhangayike nta bibazo nari
Are you not to answer my calls?
ndi kukubaza kuki utitabaga
No
telefone
problem. The danger's over.
nta kibazo ibibazo byararangiye mama
It's over for our family.
byararangiye kuri uyu muryango
Thanks to our brother,
Imana ishimwe
ruined us.
umuvandimwe wacu
Hey, Ria's family too.
reka nawe ubu ni umuryango
Much time to sneak into his family and ruin it.
yabonye akanya yinjira muri uyu muryango araturaburiza
Hope they're ready.
ibintu byose ibibazo
What are you saying?
uri kuvuga ibiki
Isn't that clear enough?
se ntabwo ibintu bigaragara
That's enough.
murekera mwabyana
Ali,
ari
please don't start up, okay?
babarira ntuzane ibibazo
Isn't Alex right?
Alex ibyo avuga ni ukuri
Okay.
okay
You worked so hard trying to find the truth.
wakoze cyane ngo
Well, it's
ubikore
over for us.
none ubu byaturangiranye sibyo yamani
I am not the reason for this mess.
we ntabwo ari cyo inkomoko y'ibibazo biba muri uyu muryango kubera iki mubinshinza
Your father is the villain.
isiko niwe sekibi niwe wigize depande hano wigize gaheza wigize akarakaje
As his family. Brother. That man will sneak back into this.
wese ntabwo byari kuba hakuno
Enough!
birahagije ariko
It's enough! Isn't it enough?
ntabwo bihagije aka kaje gato ntabwo bihagije ko
Eve? Everyone turned their backs on him already, okay?
mwese mwateye umugongo papa
Not here, do you get it? He's not!
eva ufite icyo kibazo eva karatombotse bwa mbere mu buzima barumirwa ngaho
And he left, but he's our father! He is!
ibyabe byari byo byose uriya ni papa wacu cyaba cyabaye icyo ari cyo cyose
No!
sunkoreho yamani nkwiyame
Every time you show up, there is a fight!
buri gihe iyo uje muri uru rugo havuka intambara buri gihe uko uje hano havuka ibibazo eva nako karamuramye
Eve!
eva we mama ndakwiyamye
You heard Eve.
eva numwumvishe
We good?
ubu noneho twe tumeranye neza
You get your answers?
ibisubizo washakaga urabibonye cyangwa
Even Eve is fed up with you.
ibaze ko na eva
Please
kurambiwe
go to your rooms.
mwese buri umwe mu cyumba cye
Please.
ndabinginze mwabana mwe mwese buri umwe mu cyumba cye
Ali, dear. Everyone is so nervous right now. Come sit down and let's talk for a bit. Huh?
Mom,
nananje abantu bose barakayicara tubanze tubiganire
it's better
mama
I leave.
icyiza reka ngende
Hey, let me ask you something, Ali.
umva reka ngire ikintu nkubaza ali
It's your home. Where are you going?
na hano reka ni iwanyu ugiye he mama reka mbe ngiye gatoya mbe ngiye sho tu ebe nshiyeho yasigara ni nyina ni Natalie
Hello, George.
yego George
There was an argument at home.
mu rugo habaye gutongana
Ali just headed out.
yamana asohotse mu rugo
Broke his heart a bit. Could you please take care of him?
wambabarira ukajya kumwitaho ko
Thank you so much.
sawa urakoze cyane jya kumundebera hamagaye se
Natalie,
Natalie
Eve is not good.
Eve ntabwo ameze neza
Yeah.
kuki Eva ntabwo ameze neza karabaye mwibuke Eva yigera n'ikibazo cy'umutima nubwo bamwambitse undi ariko nagaruwe ntibimeze fresh. Hari ukuntu buri umutima uba utari na compatible y'ubwonko n'umubiri. Yasubiye muri shawuri yako hamwe yakuye ku muhanda yigarukiye muri kaga karitsiye. Ni kakageta barimo yifitiye amahoro bose iyo bahari baba bafite amahoro yatangiye kwibuka. Yatangiye kwibuka amagambo ka Eva kamucuriye. Yibuka amagambo na Lia yamucuriye. Yatangiye kwibuka abantu bose baba bamucuriye.
Our family, thanks to our brother, he ruined us. And now it's time to sneak in.
Turagushimira muvandimwe watwangirije umuryango na Alex yamukatiye kare. Byose arabyibuka.
It's enough!
Eva kamubwira kati birahagije, basi birahagije murekeraho.
Listen to me. Everyone turn their backs on him already, okay? My father's not here. Do you get it? He's not. Every time you show up, there is a fight. Leave!
Kamwirukanye kange kati tuvira hanga buri cyukuje muri iyi nzu avuka ibibazo.
I don't want you.
Singushaka ndakurambiwe njyewe. Kibuka Kariyana ko kari kumukatira umutima uramurya. Yamani nyamara ashobora kuba arwaye umutima mubyita imikino do. Yamani hakuno.
Does Theo tell you? Why is he calling you? What do you care where I work? What the hell is wrong with you?
Ubundi byo birakurebaho naba nkora hari hose akazi nkora karakureba kumbe hakuno. Hanze Alicia na Alex.
Look, don't make me hurt you. Get out of my way.
I love the routine, Alex girl.
Let go.
Let's not skip all that. But let's go.
Alex ni bageza no guteye abana sozo sanga hanze intambara zabaye intambara.
Care for his place, okay?
Sichaka uzasubira kuririmba karaoke hariya ndakwiyama.
Are you okay?
Umeze neza rata sister.
We're doing great until you showed up.
Tuba tumeze neza paka iyo uhageze reka. Shirebye ikigori cyo kuwagikura nk'amenya abiri.
Leave.
He's not really your brother.
Watumutse uyu nakari umuvandimwe wawe reka.
She said leave.
Arakubwiye ngo je.
Piss off.
Tumuka ariko. Tumuka.
She said piss off.
Ntaga kubwiye ngo tumuka.
Then piss off.
Tumuka rero. Niba kubwiye ngo tumuka tumuka. Hari ikindi. Alex, ngageze hano ryari gute? Ibyo simba mbizi.
Why is he coming around?
Kubera iki ubundi uriya musore aba ari hano?
Speaking nonsense.
Abavuga ibintu by'ubugoryi
Get here. Have you seen Caesar at all?
Simba nzi bimuzanye wese kuri hano.
What job was he talking about?
Akazi yavugaga ni kazi
Speak later, okay?
Turaza kuba tubivugana nyuma y'amani. Alice. Yiboneye akazi ko kujya aririmba.
Speak now.
Turavugana none nawe wimbwira ngo turavugana nyuma. Nkande se.
Tell me everything from the beginning.
Mbwira ibintu byose kuva ku itangiriro.
Everything that's happened.
Byose byagiye biba.
Why is that man still after you?
Kubera iki ubundi uriya mujinga mbona ameze nk'aho gukunda.
What are you up to now?
Ubundi muba muri mu biki mugamije iki?
And why don't I know anything about this?
Ubundi kubera iki bameze nk'aho nta kintu mbizi?
Because you're into something new, Yaman.
Kubera yuko ufite ibindi byawe uba wiberemo Yamani bishyashya. Buri munsi uba ufite ibibazo. Iby'akazi se.
Alex has a childhood friend, Theo.
Alex afite inshuti ye yitwa Theo.
And to perform at his bar.
Twahuriye mu kabari. Yo bamuhaye akazi ko kuririmba.
Who is Alex's childhood friend? Alice? Who?
Iyo nshuti yiwe se.
What are you putting yourself through?
Ibintu uri kwishyiramo ni ibiki?
Yaman, do you ask me when you're doing something?
Ese Yaman, iyo ugiye kugira ikintu ukora wowe ujya unsaba uruhushya?
Do I need to have your permission to do it?
Ngombwa ngo nanjye ngusaba uruhushya mbere yuko ngira ikintu cyo gukora. Alice.
I want to work, Yaman.
Yamani nyene akazi.
Work. I want to do something for
Nyene akazi nanjye nkabona umvana udufaranga nk'abandi.
Okay, go and work, sweetheart, but not with that man's childhood friend.
Okay, ntari bigenda ushaka saza ari kureke gukorana n'inshuti za Alex ntakeza kazo.
I'm begging you, please come to
your...
I'm my own person. I am. So there's no problem.
Umva, ndi umuntu ku giti cyanjye nemere kwifatira imyanzuro yanjye winyumvisha ibyo gukora.
Whatever you and Ria went through, I didn't say a word.
We na Ria ibyo muba muri gucamo nta kintu ujya nkubwira rero wimvangira nawe.
My life.
Ubuzima bwanjye ngomba kubamo nawe wimenyera. Utomanyira n'ikindi gihe Yamani. Siki. Cyamani sha abantu bose bamuhaza. Bamurambiwe.
It's your life, huh?
N'ubuzima bwawe niko mbwiye noneho n'ubwawe.
It's not ours anymore.
Ntabwo bukira ubuzima bwacu nka genge abangaga muri inzu bwawe buzima.
Interfere. All right?
Yeah.
Sibyo nibyo nyine.
You remember? You told us to let go.
Uribuka?
Let me go too.
Waravuze ngo ibintu byose tubyirengagize natwe uratwirengagiza. Siko byagenze. Siko byagenze Yamani we. Rakuno. Bibutse filimi ica kuri dekoderi ya Star Times. Kuri Ganza TV. Niho muzajya muyirebera buri munsi. Kuva kuwa mbere kugera kuwa gatanu. Here saa 12:45 za buri mugoroba. Kugera saa 2.
Okay, sister.
Saa mushiki wanje. So.
Sure.
Sawa. Siguricyo. Show. Show. Yamani. Nako kisigarira hano ni ka Alicia. Ibintu nakubwiye ngo yabyabaye ibibazo aha hariya naho byabaye ibibazo n'ahandi byabaye ibindi bibazo birakomeye ibindi. Weyo Yamani Jesano abona Kaizari ari kumwe n'ababarara b'abapushayi bacuruza ibiyobyabwenge. Yamani areba abona umurara afite ikipfurumba cy'amafaranga ari kubahereza. Amukubita amaye nawe amusaba tuba twakoze akazi. Arabibona ko uyu mwana asigaye acuruza ibiyobyabwenge kandi yari yarabimubujije. Yamani ameze nk'umuntu wagiye agahugira muri famiye imwe indi ikagenda itatana icikagurikamo ibice kugera ubwo basigaye bacuruza n'ibiyobyabwenge akaba atabizi. Mwibuke koko Kaizari asigaye acuruza ibiyobyabwenge. Yigeze kubigurisha Alex ari nawo munsi yabagongaga akenda kubica we na Lia. Yari yanyweye ibiyobyabwenge. Uriya yari yamugurishije ibiyobyabwenge. Siza yari yamugurishije uyu isi ya mwikaragiye mufungiraho feri biramucanga. Kibazo rebe
Yaman?
Neno papa Yaman.
Are you okay?
Umeze neza mwana wanjye?
No, Dad.
Oya papa wapi?
I'm okay.
Ntago meze neza.
Easy.
Tuza wa mwana tuza.
Right here.
Tuza.
Be fine. You're not alone.
Ibintu byose biraza kumera neza ntago uri wenyine uranyumva.
Come on, let's go.
Tuza ngwino tugende.
Come.
Ngwino.
Come on.
Ngwino tugende wa mwana. Ngwino tugende. Ze kureba hakurya arabibona ibibabaje Yamani. wishyize mu modoka baceho.
My heart is beating too fast.
Okay, don't take short breaths.
Umutima wanjye uri gutera byihuse muze.
Breath.
Uri gutera cyane uhubagura ku mutima wanjye. Yamana asigaye arwaye umutima nyamara. Nuko ibi bintu bataramusudoro yudo.
Your son's clearly not coming.
Umwana wawe ntago ari buze pe.
Freezing cold. What now?
Imbeho irakwicira biconze icyo urabikora hiki.
No need, brother.
Nta mpamvu muvandi.
I'll be able to figure something out.
Ndaza gushaka ikindi.
Thank you so much for all of your help.
Ntabwo mwakoze kubw'ubufasha bwanyu, mwakoze cyane. Mwakoze. Ariko nari taxi yaparitse. Kumbi kado. Ka Eva ka bucura papa. Ka Eva niko kaje kureba muzehe. Tu.
Oh.
Ko kari gakumbuye papa. Nubwo papa yimbo bari ko kari kamukumbuye. Mumbabarire papa wihangana.
My dear,
I'm
more sorry than you. I'm so sorry.
Nukuri ahubwo nje mumbabarire.
Thank you.
Kurusha uko nje nihangana. Urakoze pe.
Thank you.
Urakoze mwana. Urakoze. Dore muzeta.
Go home, Father.
Papa aza tugataha mu rugo ya.
Please, I won't leave you like this.
Je ntabwo ndi bugusiga umeze gutya ya. Nakani cyo nzi kibesi wabo. Cyo nzi cyo kibesi wabo.
I'm sorry. I didn't want to disturb you, but
Be
ridiculous.
Go in.
Say that. Besides, you have a house in Switzerland too, okay?
Jano, yeah man.
Doctor.
Huh? Moga, hey.
I made the tea, and I think you can bring it.
Okay.
If you don't mind.
Mubwira ibyo cene waje ukabinzanira nimba nta kintu bigutwaye. Yasigarana n'umwana bereye mukasi. No.
You're saying things are happening again, huh?
Ibya bindi biri kongera kukubaho, sibyo? Mutima usigaye utera cyane.
Friending with me. But I haven't hurt anybody.
Nta muntu nigeze mbangamira, nta muntu nababaje uyu munsi.
So what you taught me worked.
Shaka kumbwira iki none?
I haven't beaten anyone.
Nta muntu nakubise.
Well, I'm glad.
Byiza ntewishema.
I was so worried.
Nari mpangayitse.
I mean, she thought you would get yourself in trouble.
Mama wawe yarahangayitse azi ko ushobora kwisanga mu bibazo nanone.
Right to think it.
Oya afite uburenganzira bwo kubitekereza.
How can I put it? I'm almost like a magnet.
Mama wanje ameze nka rukuruzi.
I attract trouble.
Nanje nukomezerera aho ngiye nkurura ibibazo.
Maybe I am the trouble.
Cyangwa ugasanga ahubwo ari nanjye ibibazo nta wamenya.
How I see it.
Nkurikije ukuntu ibintu mba mbibona.
Let's not say it like that.
Oya reka twere kubivuga gutyo.
The issues are difficult.
Tuvuge ko ari cyagiye umuntu aba ari mu bihe bigoye.
Even I was feeling the stress of it.
Ibaze ko nanjye byatangiye kujya bintera stress.
How exactly are you feeling right now?
Yeah, man.
I'm like excess. Wherever you put me, I don't fit in. I'm just too much. You know when there are too many pieces of a puzzle.
Ibyo mba ndimo.
Fit them anywhere.
Bimeze nkaho mba ndi mu ihurizo kandi ihurizo rinini.
Don't fit in anywhere.
Sigaye mbona nta hantu na hamwe nisanga.
With myself.
Nanjye maze gucanganya
Haven't easy.
Ntabwo byoroshye yicara nabanze yumva umwana. Yafungukiye mukasa ari kumuganiriza muze atabivanga yicara.
My father.
Papanje.
He grew up on the streets just like me.
Yakuriye imihanda nkuko nanjye nahakuriye.
He hasn't told me the whole story, but
ntabwo yigeze ambwira inkuru yose.
Became a doctor.
Ariko yaje kuvamo umudokiteri.
What did I become?
Njye nahindutse iki?
Trouble.
Ibibazo gusa. Ze yumva. Papa. Abyumva.
Sometimes I'm ashamed, you know.
Rimwe na rimwe hari igihe mba mbona papa atewe isoni nanjye. Mutera isoni.
It's like my father is a respected person. And when he introduces me, he lets them all know I'm his son.
papa anje mfite kamera giramo yo kubaha abantu n'umunsi wa mbere twahuye ntago yigeze amenyereka ko ndi umwana we aho abimenyeye abimbwira nabwo
want is to get out of here.
aho abimenyeye yakitinze nk'umuntu w'umugabo koko ubu ikintu nkeneye meze nkaho nkeneye kuva hano nkigende
I can't speak any languages.
nyine se ndajya nta rundi
Go
rurimi
to university.
sinigeze niga kaminuza
I barely got through high school.
na segonderi ni ibibazo
Yaman, you finished high school?
yamani wasoje kaminuza narayisoje nayimini segonderi yego
You know that's quite an achievement.
kantu kari
Someone who grew up in your circumstances.
umuntu wakuriye imihanda nk'iyo wakuriye mugasoza segonderi ukayiga ukayirangiza
For anything. First you take a language course.
ikintu cya mbere wakora agenda ukiga
University.
ukiga icyongereza ukajya kwiga indimi n'amategeko y'umuhanda imyuga
Telling me not to make excuses.
No, I'm not saying that.
ushatse kumbwira ngo sinshaka urwitwazo ya ntago ari icyo mvuze
Do you think these might be excuses?
ese uratekereza urwo ari urwitwazo wabanza ukiga indimi ubundi ugashaka ukuntu ukomeza kwiga yamani
I don't know.
sinzi
I swear I don't know.
ndakurahirira sinzi icyo gukora pe
I can't leave them behind.
ikibazo sinasiga bene mama inyuma ari abo bakuranye imihanda ari abo bava indimwe
As Caesar
abe Siza abe Alice
and Eve.
na ka Eva gatoya
Rhea.
Abeliya
Mother.
na mama ubwe sinamusiga inyuma
How can I leave my mother?
ese ni gute nasiga mama inyuma nkagenda cyangwa ngakomeza
My mother with their lies and deceit.
mama wuzuye ahantu hari ibinyoma no kubeshyirwa no kubeshywa no gutuburirwa
Get away from her. She'll end up getting into trouble.
nindamuka mama yisanze mu bibazo dore nyina ngo yakuno dore
Then I sit down and think. I see how I've caused trouble for her.
nibwo nicaye hasi ndatekereza mbona ibibazo njya muteza
If I had never shown up,
iyo naza kugaragara ngo bongere kumbona
it would have been a closed case.
ibintu byari kuba byararangiye
I wish I had never left those streets.
ni ukuri nakifuje kuba ntarigeze mpfa kuri iriya mihanda nkigumira imihanda yanjye kuko ndi kubona ndi guteza ibibazo ahantu hose hakuno
4 children.
abana 4
How can she keep up with them all?
ni gute yabasha kubarera bose ubundi bigakura
Each one's a different type of trouble.
harimo abo bana 4 bagenda bateza ibibazo bitandukanye umwe ateza ibi undi agateza ibi
In a way, when I disappeared, they disappeared too.
ka jano ni ka kalila
That's because of me.
byose ibibazo ni ukubera njyewe
You know, Eve,
nubwo nari naragiye byari ibibazo ka Eva nako
our youngest, she's such a squeaky little thing.
niko kabucura ni akanyabibazo kari aho
Even she's giving me pushback.
uje bamugaruye mu rugo Eva yavuye gushaka muze yamugarura hano muzanye hehe muzanye hano cyamisha hano Eva
Good for her.
sinzi nimba ndi mwiza kuri kariya kana nakubwaho koko
I tell myself this.
hari ikintu nca nibwira
Go on.
komeza nibwira ngo
Go
komeza
on.
komeza mwana
Alice and Caesar. But I don't even fit in there anymore.
nataye Siza na Alicia none nabo ntibakinyakira
Our
nk'umuvandimwe
family couldn't hold it together.
twaze turi umuryango tumeze neza mwibuke Emmet yari atarapfa none ubu basigaye hano
I was playing the brother myself after Emmett.
nigiraga nkaho ndi umuvandimwe ubwo Emmet yari amaze gupfa
Rhea. It was with Rhea that I learned there was such a thing as love.
Rhea niwe wanyigishije ikintu cyitwa urukundo
When I first met her,
bwa mbere ubwo
I had
twahuraga
a smile.
byari
It
ibyishimo
lit up my whole world.
yari asobanuye isi yose kuri njyewe naye hakuno mwibuke ararwaye mwibuke umunsi wabanje yarahiriye mu nzu umwotsi wuzuyemo ibihaha byuzuyemo umwotsi. Jana aribohora ko karambura umutima bibwira mukasi ibintu byose atigeze avuga. Byose mu mwanya waruhura umutima.
I'm not worth a damn.
Nakubeshye nta kintu na kimwe kinkwiriye pe.
Sorry about that.
Babarire kubw'ibyo nkubwiye ariko ibintu byose ndabona ari ibibazo. Ibibazo koko.
I'm the only one you didn't mention.
Nije muntu njyenyine utavuze mu nkuru yawe.
Did you count how many people you mentioned? Your mother.
Wigeze ubara abantu wavuze? Mama wawe.
Your other 2 siblings.
Abavandimwe wawe abandi babiri muvindimwe. Papa wawe.
You're a burden to all of these people, huh?
Ria, abo bantu bose ungubabereye umutwaro cyane.
Have you thought of it this way?
Wigeze ubitekereza muri ubu buryo?
What if they're your burden?
Wasanga aribo bakubereye umutwaro ahubwo. Yaman.
How many people are you carrying?
N'abantu bangaye wifuza gukemura ibibazo
byawe? You
byawe.
down?
Bagusubiza hasi.
Let people carry you for once.
Waretse abantu bakakwitaho kugira ngo ukomeze kujya ubitaho.
Be a child.
Nawe wigire nkaho uri umwana. Uri umwana.
I've never been a child.
Sinigeze mba umwana w'umuntu runaka njyewe reka. Yakuriye imihanda mwibuka.
When I was little.
Nkiri n'akana gatoya. Nta muntu nigeze menya nk'umubyeyi.
I didn't know how to be one.
Sinari nzi rero kumenya uko umuntu aba umwana n'ubu sinabimenya uko baba abana.
Then we'll find out together.
Waretse tukabikora se nje nawe tukabishakira hamwe ukambera umwana.
But how?
Gute.
You will stay here tonight.
Iri joro urare hano, sibyo?
I'll put a toothbrush in the bathroom. Brush your teeth.
Je muri toilette ufate mu bwiherero ufate brosada wiborose ube nk'umwana mu rugo.
It's whatever you need.
Ibyo ukenera cyane byo.
You're at peace wherever you want to do.
Buri kintu icyo ari cyo cyose ukenera wumve kuri umwana wisanzura.
First you need to clear your head a bit.
Mbere na mbere ubanze wivana ibyo bitekerezo byose mu mutwe.
Don't be scared.
Ntugire ubwoba.
Don't be scared to be a child.
Wigira ubwoba bwo kuba umwana ariko kuba umwana bigutwaye iki?
You get to whine, you get spoiled.
Karakara ugatongana nyine ukitwara nk'abana. Nibyo ngushaka.
And before you know it, it's over and done.
Mbere yuko ubimenye ni witwara nk'umwana ibibazo byose biraza kuba byakemutse.
Your father and I want you to enjoy childhood.
Je na papa wawe turashaka ko wishimira iminsi y'ubwana.
What happened to the tea? We're thirsty.
Ako icyayi byagenze bite bagiye kutuzanira komeruka dufite.
George.
Ako George watuzaniye icyayi.
Planet?
Coming.
Icyayi cyashize ndaje. Arabanza yumva ko kitarahora. Asubira hasi kugishyushya hari. Yaje yicarira hano. Ndaje dukomeze n'episode ya 72.